Oh my god, guys. Oh, this phone has a light, so it's good. But guys, look at this. The power literally went out before I even woke up. Oh my god. This is literally. And guys, outside is thundering, flooding. It's crazy. Guys, this is actually crazy though. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys sneak peek. Oh my god, do you see that? Do you really see that? Do you see that? Oh my god, we're coming out. Look how wet this is. Bro, and bro, the wind actually literally pulled this door open. That was that's why they cut all of these flowers off. They were like actually huge, but if the wind blew those off, it could actually hit someone or their windows. Like, oh my god, do you see that? I'm going down. I don't care. Whoa. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at all these leaves and stuff. There's more over there. Oh my god, I thought that was thunder. That literally just struck me, bro. Oh my god. It's just a water drop that fell on me. Oh. This wind is strong, bro. Oh, this is my mom's and dad's car. Oh my god. Look at the wall. I don't really want to go way too deep into this because maybe a thunder could strike. Oh my god. Look at the water. Oh my god. Bro. And it's gonna get even deeper, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. But look at this. Oh, the door just stayed open, but you see that? Oh god. Oh guys, I'm also gonna show you guys in the car. It's gonna be so crazy in the car, bro. Huh. It's gonna be the craziest ride of our lives. The water is literally right in front of our cars, bro. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh, it's getting deeper. Oh yeah, it's getting deeper, yeah. Look at that. It's almost deep enough to go over this. Is the wind just slowing down? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my lord. I can't even see the ground. Look, I can't even see the ground. Over there, I can see the ground a little bit. But in the middle, I cannot even see the ground, bro. Oh my god. Okay. It's calming down a little bit. That's crazy. Look at that. That is crazy, guys. Have this just for extra protection. Oh my god. Look, we have to use a light. Look, what happens if I turn off the light, bro? Hold up. Oh, I cannot turn off my light. Okay.
Oh, because on the video.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Hello, son.
Hello, guys. So, but our plants are growing. Look, this is my dad tomato plant, and my mom money plant, and this is my durian, but it's not growing yet. You see, I put llama there.
Llama.
Look, it's so dark, guys. The power went off. Look at this. This turned off, that turned off, this turned off, the fridge turned off. It's not even cold in there. Oh my god. Okay.
Ra xanh con chia không? Vẽ đi lấy. Ai vẽ này muội.
Cho dương nước ở bán đây tao ạ. Cho một phơi cái liệu của cha cất cái liệu. Ở thế nung vào ly đấy. Hút vào ly ấy nè. Okay. Guys, this is crazy. Oh, I forgot the light doesn't turn on. Alright. Gonna open my suitcase so I get my jackets. I think I know where it is. Yeah, I do. It was up here. Clip bung gió jacket. Hey, clip tao cái hút vali ấy nè. Where is it? No, it's not there. It's got to be here. Nope. Just gonna wear this. Just gonna wear the long pants then. Mom, tell my plata. Jam my plate. No, the suitcase is literally full. Okay. Zipping it up. Alright, we're done. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, jump my plug. Alright, I gotta change. Clip, jump my plug. Jump my plug, Maria. Cho anh miếng cha cái đó. Nè. Miếng đây, cái mơ này đây.
Sạc cái đấu vừa nãy nhỉ?
Đâu nên mở
Được, nông sạc cái đấu nè. Nè, là qua nè. Qua cái đấy nè. Ô, đồ khao tiền.
Chỗ khao lấy.
Nè.
Alright guys, I found the jacket. Alright. Gonna put it on. Alright guys. This is real footage. So hope this video goes viral. Look at this. Oh my god. Yes. Here we go.
Cái vô ao ấy mà chết.
Thì tốn mà càng môi trong nó rồi mình cũng
Đây là nước nào không ạ?
Alright, I think we're ready. We're driving the truck. Alright,
มันกระป๋องนักลองทางหนึ่ง
I got a jacket, pants. It's gonna be the best, but maybe the worst trip ever. Okay, let's go. We're going down. We're actually going down now, guys. You might slip here. Don't slip there. Alright, we're going in the car. This time we're not using the sport. We're using the truck because of this weather. Yeah. Alright, we're in. Oh, look how wet it is and stuff. Turn on the windshield. The windshield.
รถน้องวิ่งรถน้องติใช้น้องติวันนั้นไปใช้มาหนังเจ้าเนี่ยมาแถมรับติดกัน
Ram bóng chứ. Ram bóng.
Whoa, do you see that? The water. We can see out of the window. It's been 11 minutes. Oh my god, guys. Oh.
เอ้ยเก่งตะปูไม้ออก
Chị lấy đó. Lấy đó không?
Oh my god. Oh.
หอม
Whoa.
โอ้อันนี้
Wow. Do you see how deep that is? Oh my god. Oh, it's all the way to the other
โอ้
side.
เลยอ๋อ
Oh my god.
Cho mất swimming.
Oh my god. Let's see the swimming
โอ้
pool.
นี่เราเป็นโอ้เฮียน่ะ
Oh my god. Look at the swimming pool.
Làm cho con vui chứ nè.
Oh
Tao
my.
có bằng á.
Why is there like a sofa in there?
Đi lên nâng.
Oh my god. Look, there's like, do you see that? That's from a tree.
Con đọc.
Look, it's from this red tree. Oh my god.
Ô, rồi mày chơi vui.
Oh my god, guys.
Chết mình dây tay.
โน้ดูที่เขาเอาใจไปโยกกัน
Okay, tao lươn tích.
Hả?
This is crazy.
กินแล้วเลยกินแล้ว
Whoa.
คุยนั่งกัน
How crazy is this?
เอานี่เจ้ามีรัฐการที่ยัง
Ồ, nơi chứ ngay.
How actually crazy is this? That there's no thunder lightnings, bro. Oh my god. Bro, and guess what? It's gonna get even deeper. Look at this car, the water. Oh, monster truck.
ไปเปลี่ยน
Alright.
Chơi phi bị đó, rồi mà về lò can cái chọi chơi dùng lên kìa.
I'm just gonna let you
Bạn
go.
ở đây chứ nè. Mưa.
สาย
Oh, the sign is broken. Oh my god.
อยู่ในมิดโอ
Wow.
Ồ, mà mày chơi pin này hả?
Look at all the tree branches is
Bạn
all
nó
over the
cái chỗ
road.
thằng hai.
Look, oh my god.
Ở trong cái chạy nó.
Oh, actually, it's finally thundering. Oh,
Ô, mà bạn đang chơi.
look. Oh, look at that tree. It's broken. The whole entire tree is like broken. It's all broken. Oh, look at the sign is broken. Oh my god,
แล้ว
look
ให้
at
แค่
that.
นั้นนะที่ไปแก้ฟู
Oh my god. There's like a sign for like the stores and stuff. It's also broken. Oh my god.
อันนี้จะโกเวียเป็นอะไรยัง
That one's so broken.
ไปนะ
Oh my god. It's all just broken. Guys, this is crazy.
คุยเกี่ยงอะไรนะ
This
ไป
is
เป็น
actually
สโน
crazy.
ว์สโนว์มาตีใหญ่เราครอบอะไรเงี้ย
This is why I'm all suited up. I got a hat, a hoodie, and pants, long pants.
โดยมันต้องหลังเล็กจอดาวสเปียร์นั่นเอง
Look at that, guys. Look. No, lake.
เลย
Look at the lake. Oh my god. Bro, the lake is almost on the lake is on land. The lake is we're on an island. Bro,
ជុំមានឡានបើកមួយលៀបណា
no ឡាន
ទិញមួយហ្នឹង
look, there's like no cars. There's only like a few cars. Look, there's no cars at all.
ខោមកវាទឹកនៅលេខខ្នល់នេះលេខខ្នល់នេះ
Oh my god, do you see all that water, guys?
ជួយទៅ
នេះ
No,
ខ្ញុំវាទឹកលេខខ្នល់
there's only 2 cars on the bridge.
មានណា
Only 2, 3,
ទឹកនៅលើ
4.
ខ្នល់ច្រើន
Bro, there's no cars at all. This is what you call no cars at all.
នៅគួយវាទេ
Oh my god. What are the...
នឹងគីឡូអត់ទេខ្ញុំគ្មាន
This is actually
មាន
crazy.
ណាណូសិន
Is McDonald's open?
អូអូនស្មាននេះហើយអត់មានស៊ីទេមាន pancake ទេ
Yeah. No, gali cho chất sausage there.
no គឺលេខចាំតែយើងញ៉ាំខែណាដល់ថ្ងៃនេះគ្លៀនទៀតណា អូចាំសើចសុំមិនម៉ែណា
បើមិនបើចូលដល់បលីហើយ
ណាណាគេបាត់
Guys,
មុនណាមក
question. What is your favorite fast food place?
អូឡៃទៀត
Put it in the comments. Alright.
ឡានគេទូទៅគេជីមក
Harbor Freight.
អាចឈ្មោះជា
Oh, this express lane is
លំ
closed.
ទឹក
ជឿចេញវាចេញមកពីផ្ទះអត់កើត
Look, there's urban air.
បាទ
តែក្នុងតែបានចេញមក
ចេញមកនៅ
Bless me.
ដល់វាចេញមកមកសន្ទុះវាស្ពតអូមកនោះចាំចាំกัน
This is the craziest day ever, bro. I've never seen a flood this big with my own eyes.
ចាអូនឹងដល់
In like real life. Like not through like a phone,
ចាមកគេបាត់
like TikTok or YouTube, but in actual real life. This is crazy.
ចូលចូលទៅយកមកប៉ុណ្ណឹងញ៉ាំមិនអត់
McDonald's? Yeah. Gali trong nhâm sausage.
ទៅចូលទៅអីមើល
Gali trong nhâm pancake with sausage.
ចាំទៅតែ
Gali trong nhâm. I wanna eat egg, sausage, and pancakes at McDonald's. Oh, look at there. Look, you see that? Oh wow. It looks just like all water.
មកឡាច់
There's a lake over there. Yeah, I just forgot. Police aren't gonna come because they're scared. No, they're not scared, but they can't come to work. I don't think because it's like all like flooding and stuff. But so we gotta be careful. Be careful because no police help and no ambulance help. Oh, look at all of that, guys. And it's still raining. Oh my god. When can it stop raining? All the way to Friday?
No, maybe Friday.
Friday training.
2 more days?
I don't know.
Oh my god, it's gonna still rain for 2 more days.
And this.
So today is June. What day? What number?
July 8.
July. No, not June. July. Yeah, it's not June. It's July 8. Monday 2024. So maybe on like Tuesday it's gonna stop raining. Oh my god. And we're still on 2024 and I wanna see comments in the comment section in next year saying that they're in 2025 now. Look! That Mom! Aksai plung nu wat na cho. Ana khoi manya. Oh my god. this power, this rod. Oh, that's why the power went out.
តាមមួយនោះវាដូរ screen ហ្នឹងហើយវាដូរ screen វិញទៅតាមវិញអានេះហ្នឹងទៅដល់កាំ
Oh my god. When power went off. Oh my god. Look at all the water, guys. Wow. The letters of the sign went off. Oh wow. Oh, we've been here for 20 minutes now. Look, we can't even see a thing now. It's all like water now. Oh, we're going down. We're going down the bridge. Wow.
ចាំម៉ោង55ឡូវឡើង
Oh, look at all the water, guys.
ពេលចេញមកម៉ោង59
But it's been 21 minutes and 30 seconds now. McDonald's.
តាមវាញ៉ាំទៅញ៉ាំទៅខាង
Galip trong.
អត់មាន chicken nugget អត់មានអីទេ
At wall đây galip trong nha.
not time yet time breakfast
ញ៉ាំដល់បង
ញ៉ាំទៅ
Nhưng mà đắp đấy.
អត់ទេក៏មកមិនដល់ I know វាមានមក breakfast ហើយមក lunch វាមកហើយនឹងបើមានដល់មក
Đấm. Oh my guys. Look at the rain. The palm trees are gonna break these leaves.
គេចឹងចូលណាឡើយ
អត់ដល់ចូលទេបើអត់មាន
Màu đắp á.
ទៅវិញមានក៏អត់មានអីទេដែរ
Mang cho màu đắp lên.
នេះស្អីតែមានដែរណូមានអីខ្លះទៅ
No, blizzard are good. Live on con.
គេអត់តែ breakfast អត់មានតែមាន breakfast ទេញ៉ាំអាកាទៅ
Đừng có tìm màu ăn.
មកមិនដល់
Xua trắng một cái liếp. Mà ăn xua hướng bên lông
chicken
mây nè.
nugget burger មក
Đây cái liếp nó trong nhâm chứ. Cái liếp nó trong nhâm sausage pancake đó.
ទៅមក
There used to be Arby's, but now there's
លៀប
Luby's.
បាំងខ្លៃណា
Yeah.
គេតោតាហ្នឹង
Mm.
ตายแล้ว
Alright, guys.
เกรม
That's gonna be the end of today's video because there's nothing else crazy going on now. So, peace out. Bye.
ដកជើងអត់ទេដកជើងយក
Whoa!
ដាក់មកដើម្បី
That was crazy. There was so much water back there, and we drove
ដូចយកថែ
so fast, and the water just went all over. Oh
ពេល
my
យើងចឹង
god.
មកគេឲ្យយើងការ
And all the stuff just fell off.
អានេះអត់មានភ័យបន្តិចវីដេអូកាន់តតែឯង
តែអត់បានថត
តែចឹងវិញអញអត់យល់វិញ
Look at ban thought, huh?
នោះវាវិសាយក
Oh, we're going down.
តែនៅការវាតែពេលឡានគេទៅវាមក
តែผมមានឡានគេនោះខ្ញុំយើងអត់
ទៅឡានទូវិញឈ្មោះទៅបានបាញ់តែមិនទឹកច្រើនណា
Mới vừa ho lên cái chợ vâng ạ.
ស្អីហល់គេចោល
ខ្ញុំទៅប៉ុណ្ណឹង
ប៉ណ្ណឹងឯងមានអីមានអានំនេះណា
ចូលនំមកជើង
មាននៅណាមានអានំ
Hai chú ta ai cái liệp nữa.
ភ័យលេអាចមិននេះព្រោះនេះមកមិនចូលក្នុងវិញព្រោះនេះចូលខ្ញុំក្នុងនោះ
Oh, I need to hot
អា
then.
នេះហត់ទៅ
Oh my god, this one fell right out of here. Oh my god.
នឹងស្អីវាអូmy god អូ my god នេះដែរ
Yeah. It's still raining.
មិនញោទៅឆ្វេងហ្នឹងមិនទីមែននេះចា
Oh, look at the water falling off of there.
អានេះបាត់ឆ្វេងមើលទៅទី
Oh my god. Look, this thing broken. It's broken now. Look at it. Has it ever happened to you that? Hamilton.
អានេះតាំងមកអានេះតាំង
Mom, sister contiene seafood.
nếu mà bây giờ đó
Bye guys. Guys, look at this. It's all water.
water on the street
Oh, no, water on the highway. Look at this.
no,
Do you see that?
này về mưa này tập này
Oh my god, the water is so much over there.
này lại này plane nào
There's
plane
a
mà
tow truck here. There's all these cars here. This is
quân đi
crazy.
về mà thôi
Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at all the water, guys.
có một lan rồi anh chị lộ tật mặt đây đây lại
Nang dik nang tak.
ទៅ
Nan putu hai nang
đây
tak.
giật máy đây giật máy mà tôi mà chị lộ tật rồi cho ta này
លោកអីលេចពីហៅទៅអីកុំឲ្យទៅ
That was crazy.
កុំឲ្យទៅលេចដល់ទៅកុំឲ្យទៅលេចឡានដល់ចូល
Back on the road. Wow.
ឡាន
Look at oh my god. Oh my god. This is dân lucky á, dân nang chi track á. Mình chi lan putu.
មកជិះឡានពូមកចូលទៅចេញមក
Oh my god. There's so much water.
ផ្លូវលើស្ពានមុនអូនេះទឹក
Oh my god.
ចាំមកផ្លូវ
No, this is an actual flood. Do you see that?
នេះយូធើនេះផ្លូវ
It's like over our tires, bro. It's over our tires. The water is so deep. Look at that. Oh my god.
บ้านไปได้ด้วย
Oh, that's an even nicer view. Look at the water. Oh, wow. Oh my god.
โอ้มานุลันตี
Oh my god. Look at. Anong lunch truck na?
เออนักมา
Oh my god, that's a truck.
โอ้ย
Oh my.
โอ้หามาปังแล้ว
Oh my god, look at the water.
อะไรทำอะไรอะไรเลยเนี่ย
Oh, a slipping slide. Low yun ah. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh wow, 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 wow.
โอ้เนี่ยใจเลยเนาะ
Oh, this car is stuck. No, my god.
อันนี้มาทอดนี่มันมีทอดไลน์วิดีโอรอเจมเนี่ย
I think a little that.
ไปสมองกัน
ได้
มีไลน์ไปสมองกัน
Look
เล
a
ย
little to what the